Have you ever wondered why two people start from the same place? But 5 years later, one is living their dream while the other is still making excuses? Here's the uncomfortable truth. The difference isn't talent. It isn't luck. It isn't money. It's habits. Right now you are making a decision. Maybe you don't even realize it. Every minute you spend scrolling, every hour you waste, every excuse you repeat, you're building your future. But here's the scary part. Your future doesn't care about your intentions. It only cares about your actions. By the end of this video, you'll discover 15 habits that separate ordinary people from extraordinary ones. And trust me, habit number 15 is the one that changes everything. Let's begin. Every morning, two battles happen. One is between your alarm clock. The other is between your future and your comfort. Most people lose before they even leave the bed. Successful people don't wait until they feel motivated. They get up. They move. They take control. You don't have to wake up at 4 a.m. You just need to wake up earlier than your excuses. Start with 5 minutes. Tomorrow, make it 10. Small victories become powerful habits, and powerful habits build powerful lives. But waking up early means nothing if your mind stays asleep. Which brings us to the next habit. The fastest growing people are the fastest learners. The world changes every day. If your knowledge stays the same, your future stays the same too. Read one page, watch one educational video, learn one new skill. That's enough. Think about it. Every expert was once a beginner. Every millionaire was once confused. The difference? They never stopped learning. Knowledge is invisible, but one day, everyone sees the results. And there's one mistake that destroys learning faster than anything else. The loudest person in the room isn't always the smartest. Strong people don't talk to impress. They listen to understand. Every conversation is free education. If you keep talking, you only hear what you already know. But when you listen, you discover what you never knew. Silence isn't weakness. Silence is power. Remember that. Now let's talk about a habit that can save years of your life. Every yes costs something. Sometimes it costs your dreams. You don't have to attend every party. You don't have to answer every message. You don't have to make everyone happy. Protect your time. Protect your peace. Protect your focus. Successful people don't have more time than you. They simply waste less of it. And speaking of wasting time, there's something even more dangerous. Playing safe feels comfortable, until you realize comfort quietly stole your dreams. Every successful person took risks. Not reckless risks, calculated risks. Starting a business, learning a new skill, applying for a better job, creating content, investing in themselves. Fear never disappears. You simply become stronger than it, and that's where real confidence begins. But confidence without self-awareness is dangerous. Most people know celebrities better than they know themselves. That's a problem. Spend 10 minutes alone every day. No phone, no music, no distractions. Ask yourself, what do I really want? What is holding me back? What kind of person am I becoming? The better you understand yourself, the better decisions you make. And decisions shape your destiny, which leads to the next habit. Opportunities don't wait forever. Neither should you. Many people spend months thinking. Successful people think, then act. Perfection doesn't exist. Progress does. Your first decision may not be perfect, but indecision guarantees failure. Remember, a wrong decision teaches you. No decision traps you. Now here's something most people completely ignore. Money comes back. Time doesn't. Every minute is an investment. Where is yours going? Social media? Complaining? Overthinking? Or building the future you dream about? Time is the only resource that rich and poor receive equally. 24 hours. Nothing more. Nothing less. How you spend them defines your life. But even if you manage your time, there's still one hidden enemy. Not everything deserves your attention. Drama, negativity, arguments, haters. Most of them add nothing to your life. Focus is your superpower. The more distractions you remove, the faster your life changes. And now, we're entering the habits that separate the top 1%. Stay with me. The next one might be exactly what you need. Your body is your first home. Treat it with respect. Exercise, drink water, sleep enough. Eat real food. Energy creates productivity. Weak body, weak mind. Strong body. Strong mindset? Simple. Every broken promise damages your confidence. You said you'd start Monday. You didn't. You said you'd work out. You didn't. Your brain remembers. Eventually, stops believing you. Build trust with yourself. Start small. Finish what you start. Confidence grows through action. Look around. Who do you spend time with? Complainers or builders? Energy is contagious. So are habits. Spend time with people who challenge you, not people who keep you small. Your environment predicts your future more than you think. Motivation is temporary. Discipline lasts. Anyone can work hard for one day. Very few work hard for 1 year. Success isn't built in one big moment. It's built in thousands of small moments. One workout, one page, one decision. Repeat it again, and again, and again. That's the secret. But we're not done yet. The next habit is where everything comes together. Yesterday's version of you shouldn't be today's competition. Compare yourself only with who you were before. 1% better every day. That's enough. Forget perfection. Chase progress. Tiny improvements become massive transformations. And now, the final habit. The one that connects all the others. Without purpose, every road feels confusing. Without purpose, every distraction feels exciting. Ask yourself, why do you wake up every morning? What legacy do you want to leave? What story do you want people to remember? Purpose gives pain a meaning. Purpose gives struggle a reason. Purpose gives life direction. When you have a purpose, nothing can stop you, because you're no longer chasing motivation. You're chasing your mission. Remember, your future isn't created tomorrow. It's created today. One habit, one decision, one action at a time. The choice has always been yours. You can keep scrolling, keep delaying, keep making excuses. You can become the person you promised yourself you'd become. The clock is already moving. The only question is, will you move with it? If you're ready to become part of a community that refuses to live an average life, welcome to MindFuse. This isn't just another YouTube channel. This is where future winners are built. If you're committed to becoming stronger, smarter, and more disciplined, stay with us, because your transformation starts now.